These are the multiple choice questions for the U.S. History, Imperialism, and World War I exam. Question 1. A national policy of expansion or imposition of power, authority, or influence is this: isolationism, imperialism, sovereignty, or socialism? Question 2. A national policy of abstaining or staying out of political or economic relations with other countries is this: isolationism, imperialism, sovereignty, or socialism? Question 3. A government's right to rule its people is this: isolationism, imperialism, sovereignty, or socialism? Question 4. To incorporate into a dominant country or state or to take control is this: grant statehood, liberate, annex, or protectorate? Question 5. The relation of a strong state toward a weaker state or territory that it protects and partly controls is this: liberate, subjugate, isolate, or protectorate? Question 6. Cuba was granted its independence with this: the 14 points, the Zimmermann Telegram, the Teller Amendment, or the Platt Amendment? Question 7. This made the United States a protectorate of Cuba. 14 points, the Zimmermann Telegram, the Teller Amendment, or the Platt Amendment? Question 8. This triggered an American declaration of war against Spain. Was it the sinking of the Maine, atrocities committed against Cubans, the sinking of the Lusitania, or the Dulome Letter? Question 9. This contributed to American public opinion against Spain. Was it muckrakers, yellow journalism, objective news stories, or President William McKinley? Question 10. Which of the following was not taken from Spain as a result of the war? The Philippines, Guam, Puerto Rico, or Hawaii? Question 11. The Philippine-American War was this when compared to the Spanish-American War? Was it longer, shorter, less violent, or more important? Question 12. The most important result of the Spanish-American War was this: the United States took land from Mexico, the United States maintained its tradition as an isolationist nation, the United States stock market crashed, or the U.S. became an imperial nation? Question 13. President Wilson declared this at the beginning of World War I, intending to keep Americans out of the war. Was it an alliance with Britain, an alliance with Germany, neutrality, or intervention? Question 14. This was not a cause of World War I. The alliance system, a series of crises, an arms race, or the German invasion of Poland? Question 15. The British ocean liner that was sunk by Germany carrying more than 120 Americans was what? The Lusitania, the Titanic, the USS Maine, or the Queen Victoria? Question 16. The German promise to restrict its use of submarine warfare was this: the Dulome Letter, the Sussex Pledge, the Zimmermann Telegram, or the Treaty of Versailles? Question 17. This promised Mexico they would reclaim land taken from them if they fought with Germany against the United States. Was that the 14 points, the Zimmermann Telegram, the Treaty of Versailles, or the Sussex Pledge? Question 18. This was President Wilson's proposed terms to Germany to end World War I. Was it the 14 points, the Zimmermann Telegram, the Treaty of Versailles, or the Sussex Pledge? Question 19. This was the international body to prevent wars created following World War I. The United Nations, the League of Nations, the Justice League, or the World Senate? And question 20. This dealt Germany a harsh peace many claim led to World War I. The 14 points, the Zimmermann Telegram, the League of Nations, or the Treaty of Versailles?